Hello, creative minds. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Marty L. Neri, and you're welcome to NNW Graphics. On this channel, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. But first, on this playlist, I'm going to teach you how you can create church posters from start to finish. It's gonna be amazing, guys. You're going to learn how you can start the process of creating church posters by getting all the assets that you need. On the description below, I'm going to give you links to all the assets that I'll be using on all my tutorials. But for now, I want us to explore Photoshop in a different dimension, how we can use Photoshop to create awesome designs, especially church posters. In the end of this course, you're going to learn more and you're going to improve your skills. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and make sure that you click the bell icon so that you'll be getting notifications on this channel. So please share this video with your friends, like or comment. If you have any question, please comment down below and then I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Come on, come and be creative. Stay creative.